In this video, we're going to take a look at SiteZio, a beginner-friendly, 100% automated, profitable Clickbank affiliate site builder that is supposed to build you a site with free traffic and content in 90 seconds, even if you've never built a site before. We're going to take a look inside of SiteZio to find out exactly what it is and whether or not this product is misleading, and the fact that SiteZio Affiliate Money Generator plugin is a breaking-edge referral affiliate auto-blogging plugin that will turn your website into a money-making machine. They do have a link here to support. They also have some training and tutorials. Understand that this is a WordPress plugin. You will have to have a WordPress site to install this plugin. And then once you do that, you'll have the training videos that you see here, how to add a keyword replacer campaign, how to configure SiteZio, how to add RSS campaign, how to create your first campaign, how to create your first video campaign, and how to create banner advertisements. That takes us into the settings, and here you can create a number of posts from different streams, and those streams are Google Translate, Clickbank, News API, and YouTube, as well as connecting to Spin Rewriter. If you don't know what Spin Rewriter is, it is an article spinner. As you can see here, this is inside my Spin Rewriter account. Here I can enter a sentence. Please rewrite this post and make it way better. Click Rewrite Article. You can see here Spin Rewriter is going to create a list of synonyms to create a new article. Here you can see please rewrite, reword, revise this post, message, article, blog post, and as well and also make it way better, much better. And to finalize article, you simply click Finalize Article, and then you generate a unique article, and then you can see the article that it created. Here in this case, in this example, it's a simple sentence. Please revise this post and also make it way better. So, is this sentence, please revise this post and also make it way better, better than the original sentence that I wrote, please rewrite this post and make it way better? That's one of the things that you need to do and need to understand if you're going to utilize this connection to Spin Rewriter inside of SiteZio. And then, of course, understand that Spin Rewriter is a paid product, and here is the pricing: monthly $47 a month, yearly $77 a year, or lifetime you can purchase it for a single payment of $497. So if you want to use Spin Rewriter with this product, SiteZio, then you would need to purchase that to get that right there. The next thing we have here is Clickbank Campaign. Here you can create a Clickbank campaign by simply clicking Add New Campaign, creating a new campaign. For example, you could say paleo. You could search the word paleo. You can search order of Clickbank products by keyword relevance, gravity, popularity, average earnings per sale, and you could also select which category inside of Clickbank you want to add this listing, as well as you can select the category to add it to the post, and you can set the post status pending, draft, private, or trash. Next is the news campaign listing. You can select a news site by going to Add Campaign. You can use your News API key, which again here is different news sources, different sites like Bloomberg, BBC News, ABC News, different news categories, business, entertainment, health, science, sports, technology, different countries, as well as setting up your API. Remember, this is beginner-friendly, 100% automated. You can create multiple profitable automated sites, perfect for beginners, no techie stuff. But here we are figuring out how to set up news APIs, as well as RSS feeds. If you're not familiar with RSS, RSS is simply a web feed that allows users and applications to access updates to websites in a standardized format, so you can pull content back into the site via a feed, which is what SiteZio is going to do. Also a feed from YouTube or Dailymotion. And of course, you'll need to set up search by channel ID and your channel keywords, as well as different event types, safe search, video definitions, video durations, video licensing, and then save that campaign. And that is how you set up the news listing or the information that's going to come into the site. It also has a keyword link replacer. What this does is it takes a keyword, for example, book, and then it adds a link to every place that the keyword book is in all your posts. Then it has a place to create banner advertisements, and we're going to take a look at this so you can see the banners on the demo site. But simply what you would do is you would set your rule, choose a banner image that you would need to create, title your banner, give it a description, set a call to action, Skype, call to action. Here you can see the different call to actions, a call to action URL, an opt-in call to action, or you can connect a Facebook Messenger button with some JS code. Here, JS code being JavaScript code, here you would need to log in and sign into your Facebook account and allow ManyChat to connect to your Facebook. Again, SiteZio is a brand new software. It's 100% beginner friendly. 90 seconds, you're going to be set up with free traffic and content. But like you can see, now we're signing into our Facebook account as well as allowing ManyChat to connect to our Facebook to make sure that we have this set up so we can use this call to action on our new banner rule. The last thing you have is some player settings. This is going to be settings for the player that's embedded inside of SiteZio. And without further ado, this is what SiteZio looks like when you create a site. This is the main page from the demo site that it created inside of the settings that I just went over. So you can see this is what the site looks like. And if you scroll back up to the top, you're going to see this is the banner right here. If you were to create your own banner, you would need to create these here, come up with your own images, make sure you have relevant products to advertise. Now let's take a look at one of the articles. Let's go into health and fitness. Here you can see one of the articles or the list of articles right here. We're going to take a look at a few of these to see exactly how good they are and talk about the concept of exactly what's going on here. Let's go ahead and click read more. As you can see here, they pulled down the image or the thumbnail of the YouTube video. They've embedded the YouTube video here inside of the player that you saw the settings for. So that video is going to play. Then they have an article here or a paragraph. I'll highlight it right here. You can see this is the article. And you can see that these links that it pulled in are not clickable. Of course, that's a good thing because it leads to somebody else's content. And that is where we get into the issue of what we're actually doing here. We'll go back to health and fitness real quick. We'll scroll down. We'll look at the next article. Keto breads and desserts, top converting health offers. Click on that. You're going to see here, this is basically it pulled in an ad or it pulled in images from the sales page. And you can see here the awesome article that it wrote for you. This is the article that's supposed to rank on the first page of Google. And now let's talk about what this actually is, what the concept here is here that we're doing with SiteZio. And to do that, I'm going to use an article from Mention.com, the beginner's guide to doing content curation the right way. So what is SiteZio doing? It's doing content curation. So what is content curation? And just like the Mention.com article says here, let's address the elephant in the room right now. Content curation is not content creation. When creating content, you build your own pieces of content from scratch. But when you're doing content curation is about researching and sharing a hand-picked collection of content from trusted sources within your industry. Again, about researching and sharing a hand-picked collection of content from trusted sources within your industry. The Mention.com article goes on to talk about writing blog posts from curated content. Firstly, we think that your blog, if you have one, is another key channel to share curated content. Again, do not copy and paste content from someone else. Integrate to your own content source and always credit the authors. And then they give you some examples. The 9 best car accounts to follow on Instagram, the 10 best blog posts around the world that will inspire your life, 7 killer marketing newsletters that you need to subscribe to, and 15 travel books that will change the way you see the world. Let's take a look at this article over at Forbes, 15 travel books that will change the way you see the world. Scroll down through here and just take a look at this article. The success of any great travel book can be measured not in awards, but in miles. Then it continues on, and then it starts to actually list the books that they recommend that will change your life if you want to see the world. And you can see this article, the depth of it, the amount of time that they put in to curate the content, to link back to the sources, and to make sure that they list all the sources. And as you scroll down through here, you're going to get a good idea of what it takes and the time it takes to create a piece of curated content that you actually go out, you do the research, and then you share it to your audience via an article that took time to create, just like the one you see here on Forbes.com. By again, just like they said over at Mention.com, integrate to your own content, source it, and always credit the authors. Because when you do this type of content contributes to building your thought leadership within your industry. It shows that you were able to take a step back, analyze what you think is best for your audience, and suggest relevant options to solve a given problem. When you go into SiteZio, and you create an affiliate money generating site that is going to turn your website into a money making machine, this is the type of article that you get right here. Keto breads and keto desserts, top converting health offers, with an image of the product, 100% money back guarantee. Click here to get keto breads and keto desserts with an order now button. And then as you scroll down through here, you're going to see more posts. So if we were to click on another one of these posts, Viking dog diet, extend your dog's life with natural and delicious food. We'll click on this one. Here you can see the exact same kind of offer. This image here doesn't even make any sense. It's just a blanked out screen capture from Clickbank. And then you see the article here that's supposed to rank on page 1. It's not even an article. It's literally just an order now button. And this is a type of content that's being curated for you automatically using this new software that is beginner friendly, 100% automated, that's going to build you supposedly profitable Clickbank affiliate sites in 90 seconds with free traffic or content, even if you've never built a site before. That is SiteZio. That's supposed to do all these things right here, to include create multiple profitable automated sites, no techie stuff. But you saw here when we went into the news campaign, you have to add your API keys. You have to figure out what and where to get RSS feeds. Then you have to connect your YouTube channel by channel ID and select all these other parameters. As well as the first setting you'll need is a Google Translate API key. You'll need to have a Clickbank account set up and your username, as well as create and set up a newsapi.org API key, a YouTube API key. By going through the steps you see here, logging into consoledevelopers.google.com, select a project, go to new project to create, go to OAuth consent and click and create a button, and then scroll down and then go through the rest of these steps to generate and get your API key for YouTube, and then come back and enter that here. And then SiteZio continues to go on to talk about how it's going to create fresh content and give you free built-in traffic. It's going to automate the site with daily traffic, and you're going to see results in little as 24 hours. Then SiteZio goes on to tell you about how it's a time-saving shortcut to get results like these. They have some random Clickbank screenshots showing you sales. Then they talk about free Google and social media traffic, as well as how you can earn affiliate profits and ad revenue. Of course, ad revenue would be from something like Adsense. Before you sign up or before you buy SiteZio, make sure you understand the eligibility requirements for Adsense. And read this and understand, do you have your own unique and interesting content? Your content must be high quality, original, and attract an audience. Read our tips to make sure your site's pages are ready for Adsense. Continue to read on here and focus in on this. What's special about your pages? With lots of sites out there already, you'll want to create unique, original, and relevant content that keeps users engaged and encourages them to read more. Go back to the SiteZio demo site, Viking Dog Diet. Extend your dog's life with natural and delicious food. You see here, basically, this is an advertisement for a product. Let's go ahead and go to business real quick. Why Bill Gates is the largest private farmland owner in the United States from Vox.com. We'll go ahead, we'll click on this, and then we'll scroll down, and you'll see here that you have some content here that's been curated from an article. And we'll go ahead, and then we'll scroll down through here, and we'll see that is the complete article right there. And then let's go ahead and do this and grab this and go ahead and search Google for this article. And you can see this is Vox.com, MSN.com, Land Report are the first 3 search results from Google when you type in this title. So no one's going to find your article on why Bill Gates is the largest private farmland owner in the United States. There's nothing special about your page. And just like it says here under Google AdSense eligibility requirements for AdSense, do you have your own unique and interesting content? No, you don't. You have an article that was pulled in from Vox.com, which is literally the same as going to Vox.com, copying and pasting this to your own WordPress site. So that's why this strategy fails. And they're referenced here on the sales page to famous sites that have figured it out, like My Golf Spy, Breaking Muscle, Everyday Carry, Epic Gardening, and What Moms Love, and how they're getting millions of views and earning thousands of dollars every month because they're able to crank out new content so fast because they don't have to create it from scratch every time. Now you can borrow their secrets too. Let's just pop over to whatmomslove.com and take a look at some of their content. Best toy storage and organizing ideas for your kids' playroom and beyond. Go ahead, click on that article. Scroll down and you can see here the type of article that was created, their own image, which you can pin, and they pinned to Pinterest. And then you can see here that they've curated an article that is way and above and beyond, more closely related to what you saw on the Forbes.com article than what you see on SiteZio. So at that point, you can see they're just using these famous sites and the fact that they do content curation the right way to try to sell you SiteZio. Because at the end of the day, getting started with their 3 easy steps: enter your affiliate ID, pick topics for your brand new site, and monetize your site with Clickbank and affiliate offers and banner ads, is just a marketing ploy to try to get you to buy this software that is basically a shortcut to a shortcut of the strategy of content curation when building your own blog and trying to turn it into an authority site. But if you are still interested in purchasing SiteZio and testing it out, make sure you exit from the page before you purchase it and get $2 off for doing nothing but saying no thank you and trying to exit the page. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, just like the one you see right here. Click that, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.